Hello students, in this video we are going to do this question which is from trigonometry. It is also from class 10 book exercise 8.1 question 2, and the question says in the given figure find TanP minus Cot R, and the figure is given as a right angle triangle with PQR angles where Q is the right angle. Height and hypotenuse is given to us. So let us solve this question and find TanP minus Cot R. First we'll write what is given in the question. Given is height, which is 12 centimeters, and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Height is also PQ. Height is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. And in the right triangle, PQR, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. So here we have been given height and hypotenuse. We need to find the base of the triangle to find TanP and Cot R, because TanP is perpendicular upon base or height upon base. So let's put in the values of PQ and QR. PQ is 12 square plus QR is unknown to us and PR is 13 square. So we'll leave QR square here to find it, and this will be 13 square minus 12 square, just transposing 12 square to the right hand side. So this will be QR square equals 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144. So 169 minus 144 is 25. So QR square is 25, or QR will be square root of 25, which is 5. So this is 5 centimeter. This is also the base of the triangle. So now we have base as 5 centimeter, perpendicular or height as 12 centimeters, hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. Now we can find the value of tan and cot. For finding TanP, we'll check the angle P here. So P is the base angle. We'll check this angle, base angle. So TanP will be QR upon PQ. QR is 5 centimeters and PQ is already given to us, which is 12 centimeters. So TanP is 5 upon 12. Let's find out Cot R. So here we have to take R as the base angle. So R is base angle here. Cot R will be base upon perpendicular, which is QR upon PQ, which is same as TanP, which is 5 upon 12. Now we have TanP and Cot R. So let's find the value of TanP minus Cot R. Put in the values here. So 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12, which equals 0. Final answer will be TanP minus Cot R equals 0. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer, and this is how we solve these kind of problems. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.